Search how to activate Medibank OHC policy. Click on the first link. Click on Activate your membership. Enter your membership number, your first name and your last name. Then enter date of birth. Select your gender. Check the box of terms and condition and click on search. In this next page, enter few contact details. Your email address, your contact number. Select the education institute. Select the date that you have arrived in Australia. Enter your current address. Then enter your preferred password that you would like to keep and then click on submit. And your policy has been successfully activated.